What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata and today we're going to take a first look at the brand new Profoto A2. All right, the A2 is out. Maybe you've heard about it, maybe you haven't. Let me see if I can give you a first look breakdown. My name is Sal Sincata and today I'm on a photo shoot and I wanted to break away from that to talk a little bit about this new light that I've been fortunate enough to be using. So first of all, Profoto comes out, A2. It's going to fit inside. If you're a Profoto user, maybe you're using the A10 or the AX series or B10, B10 Plus. This is going to sit in between those lights, right? And one of the coolest features, in my opinion, is that it's going to support all of the click modifiers, right? So the dome diffuser, the grids, the gels, everything that you're using with your A1s, you're going to be able to use with this, right? So in my back pocket, like a magician, you're wondering what's in his back pocket. What else has he got back there? That's all I got. All right, we could use the click octabox. So I've been using this with my A1s. Now this is magnetic. It's going to snap in there and you're using it with the A2. So that to me, as they're building the ecosystem, to me, that's a very important facet as a photographer, right? Because we're always using light modifiers, light shaping tools and things like that. So that's number one. Number two for me, which I think is pretty important, are batteries. And so this is using the Profoto A1 series battery. So if you've already got that and you've made that investment, now you've got the same battery system, boom, locked and loaded. 400 full power flashes, TTL, right? You can do that. You can support it through manual mode. You can support high-speed sync. So this is something that you're going to use. Like I said, you need a little bit more punch than the A1, and we've already been using it, creating great images. So check out a next video that we're going to release later in the week, showing this behind the scenes and being used for some night shoots and some rooftop urban shoots. We got some really killer stuff with that. Other things worth noting on it, I don't know if you can kind of get in a little bit closer here, right? Everything you'd come to expect from Profoto, the big dials, the big numbers, so that you're moving in 1/10 of a stop, and it will work with all the other Profoto accompaniments. Is that a word? Accompaniments? Accompaniments? I don't know. I don't even think we're gonna edit it. I say we leave it there. I'm just making up words right now. Okay, one other thing. Look, go online, check out the tech specs. For me, it's always about, can I use it in the field? Can I use it to make great images? My focus is wedding photography, senior and portrait photography, and so I wanna be able to have something like this in the bag and be able to use it. So it does come, right, modeling lamp, right, you'll be able to turn that on. It's not gonna give you like the B10 where you can control color temperature. That's not really what this is meant for. So you can turn on the modeling lamp, you can turn it on from the remote, so the new Profoto controller just came out, you can control it from there. And then it's gonna have the light stand attachment, right? But for me, I'm a big believer in human light stands. Sorry, my wife who's behind the camera right now, she's the one who's gotta carry the light. But I like to unscrew this, and now, right, you're just holding it just like this. And if you think about it, it's kind of like a little beer can, soda can, like a little cheers, pinky up, if you wanna do that. But I like the form factor. So now you're holding it here. Like I said, the gels, the grids, everything that you're using from the Click series, from Profoto, their light shaping tools, is gonna work with this. And so it's putting out 100 watts per second. You know, you're not gonna overpower the sun with this. That should not be your goal. You're not gonna, that's where you use the B10, B10 Plus. This is something that if I'm on a photo shoot, I'm using it for beauty lighting with the octabox, and I'm in close quarters, right? So I've gotta be close. I'm not gonna use this to fire at a subject that's 20 feet away. It's just not gonna do it. Maybe at night, maybe at sunset, it'll give you a little fill, but at 100 watts per second, that is not what it's meant for, and that's not how you're gonna be able to use it. So this is gonna be in close quarters. It's a small form factor, indoors for days. Again, 400 full power dumps on this. So this is going to give you what you need from that perspective. So again, I hope you enjoyed. We are gonna produce a video where we're doing real photo shoots using this so that you can see the results. But first glance, first look, it's everything you'd come to expect from Profoto. Quality build. It's got a little rubbery feel to it, which I like, right? Maybe it's like non-slip. You know, what is the stuff you put in your cabinets, that like non-slip stuff? Is there a name for it? You know, my wife's shaking her head. She doesn't like I'm talking about this. I don't know what the name of it is, but I like the way it feels. It's got that little rubberized texture. So it's a great form factor, great light. Check it out if you get a chance. I think you'll be impressed. And by the way, if you like this video and want to see more in-depth photography education on the channel, like, comment, and definitely pound that subscribe button.